When it comes to making the perfect cup of coffee, nothing compares to this Miuly French press coffee maker. If you're someone who values the ritual of coffee making and loves the experience of a well-brewed cup, this French press is the answer to your coffee dreams. The Miuly French press combines superior craftsmanship, excellent functionality, and a sleek design that will not only enhance your kitchen but elevate your coffee-making experience to the next level. With its stainless steel and heat-resistant borosilicate glass build, this product ensures durability and timeless appeal. Pure coffee, every time. No compromises. The most important aspect of any French press is its filtration system. No one enjoys sipping on coffee and finding sediment at the bottom of their cup. Miuly has taken this into consideration by developing one of the most effective filtration systems available in a French press. The stainless steel screen filter is reinforced with a spring-loaded base plate that ensures a tight seal, preventing particles from slipping through. The top lid strainer adds an extra layer of filtration, delivering a smooth, pure brew every single time. Whether you're brewing French press coffee, tea, or even espresso, the Miuly guarantees a clean, particle-free experience. Borosilicate glass for heat resistance and durability. The Miuly French press coffee maker features a large carafe made from borosilicate glass, known for its heat resistance and durability. This type of glass can withstand extreme temperature changes, making it perfect for both hot and cold brews. The clear glass also allows you to monitor the entire brewing process, adding a visual element of satisfaction to your morning coffee ritual. Unlike metal French presses, this one operates smoothly and quietly, no irritating scraping noises when you press the filter down. Perfect for outdoor adventures. While many French presses are confined to the kitchen, the Miuly French press is portable and versatile. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel. Whether you're camping, hiking, or going on a road trip, you can bring this press along to ensure your coffee tastes just as good as it does at home. The stainless steel and borosilicate glass components are rugged enough to handle outdoor activities, making it the ultimate companion for coffee lovers on the go. A thoughtful gift for any occasion. Looking for the perfect gift for the coffee lover in your life? The Miuly French press coffee maker comes in an elegant gift set that includes a coffee measuring spoon and 2 extra filter screens. With its FDA-certified materials and top-tier performance, this French press makes a wonderful gift for weddings, housewarmings, birthdays, or even Christmas. Its classy appearance and premium functionality make it a standout piece for any kitchen, and its ease of use makes it perfect for coffee enthusiasts of all levels. Built to last. 304-grade stainless steel. One of the standout features of the Miuly French press is its build quality. Every metal part is made from 304-grade stainless steel, ensuring the French press has a durable, resilient shine and that it won't rust over time. This attention to quality means you're not just investing in a coffee maker, you're investing in a product that will last a lifetime. Whether you use it daily or save it for special occasions, the Miuly French press will stand the test of time, all while continuing to brew excellent coffee. Lifetime replacement guarantee. Miuly stands by the quality of its products, offering a lifetime replacement guarantee. If anything happens to your French press or any of its accessories, they will replace it for free, no questions asked. This commitment to customer satisfaction makes the Miuly French press a risk-free investment. With such a strong warranty, it's clear that the company takes its customer relationships seriously and is confident in the lasting quality of its product. Why you should choose Miuly French press coffee maker. There are countless coffee makers on the market, but the Miuly French press stands out for several reasons. 1. Unmatched filtration. The combination of stainless steel filters and a spring-loaded base guarantees no coffee grounds in your cup. 2. Durability. The 304-grade stainless steel and thick borosilicate glass ensure this French press can handle daily use and last a lifetime. 3. Portability. Perfect for coffee on the go, whether you're camping or heading to the office. 4. Aesthetic design. The sleek, modern look of the Miuly French press will elevate any kitchen setup. 5. Lifetime guarantee. Peace of mind with a lifetime replacement guarantee. Miuly's got you covered. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.